Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete your Shein account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your Shein account, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app itself. So once you open the Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the me icon. Once you do so, now you need to tap on the settings option. So after tapping on settings, you will find the manage account option. So simply tap on manage my account and there you can find delete account. So after you tap on it, tap on apply to delete account. Once you do this, you will end up in this interface where you are asked to go in your email and check the deleting data confirmation. So once you tap on delete data, all your data will be deleted as well as your Shein account will also get deleted. So this is how you delete your account on Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.